Alright, so we're at a new skate park today. We got our WLs out. We got the 144s, our Basher 144001, and our 124008. Just a little park over in Scottsville. It's at Johnson's Park. But we're going to get some ripping done while we got a break. I forgot how fun these were. It's been so long since we had the WL out, or the 144. Oh. It's a nice little park. Oh no, already. All right, let me turn this thing off before you go nutty. Okay. Looks like they got one piece of concrete.
What was that? You didn't even land on the other side. No, it looks fine.
Oh. Broke the wing already?
Fennel, yeah, I thought it was good.
Metal wing. Probably just come walk itself right out. Problem with all these metal parts. Fine when you put metal on plastic, but ooh, that was cool. Alright, let me hit this other thing. And then you can
The stupid fences are in the way though.
Yeah, look at that. The springs popped right out. They didn't last very long. Well, it's a good thing we got this guy. And I'm still sending it. Nice back. Turned off again. Look at that.
You landed on your feet?
Yeah.
Where'd you?
So we're going to do another floppy shock right onto this guy. Okay. Coming right back at you. Okay, on to the main event now. Actually, let me do one more look. That way I can properly fix this girl. These drags on the ground now. There are no shots.
Oh, you lost the cord.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna make it up again.
There's a dog bone. Make sure you find the parts, kids. Gotta find your dog bones. I wonder. Oh, I lost 2 dog bones. Oh, there it is. Perfect. All right. So we're really done with this. I do have the roll. Power. There it is. Look at that. The whole.
You broke it, Dad.
Ah! No. Look at that.
Okay, that's
Didn't last long.
hurry up.
Okay. Now we've done a few upgrades on this metal collars and the new tires, but I'm not sure how good these tires are. These are track tires. We got a new servo today, so that'll be going in it. Whoa! Alright. Nice landing. Nice. Get a couple practice runs in before I... Holy crap! Whoa, and you landed it! That much... Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Oh, that was tough. This is pure asphalt here. Body crush. It's okay, we'll get more. Yeah. Ooh, it sounds a little crunchier. Let's do some flippies or something. Oh, that was cool. Oh, something's not right. Give her another good launch and we'll... Oh, that was awesome. Awesome. And we broke the shock tower. Oh, it's not broke.
Oh, did it just pop out?
It broke the screw, but that's not a big deal.
Good, then we'll be able to fix it.
Yep, I'll be able to fix that. I'll be able to fix that so we can do a double header today. So yeah, I'm not digging launching these through those fences. So we'll leave it at that. That was a cool little skate park. This is Scottsville. You know, they're just some temporary, so I can't guarantee it's gonna be here in another year. Oh, save that.
That was
Yeah.
like ground over.
Yep. Yeah, and this was you know, lots of fun. I dig it. Just a little damage report after skate park. It's more than just a body. It looks like the chassis brace snapped pretty good. So these do have a limit, and I broke a little piece off of there. The motor was actually half out, sitting like that when I opened her up. So I should still be able to run her today. My hope is to get to a second skate park this afternoon on the way home. So we'll have a double header, 2 locations one day. Hopefully, we'll see. See how quick I can get it back. It wasn't so bad. I had to undo all the 12 freaking screws. There's a brake there, so I'm gonna, after today's bash, I'm gonna be swapping out the servo and probably the motor. So this is the piece that broke. That's an important part of the motor mount, but it looks like the rest of it's okay. So I'm gonna let it fly, and then if I have to, I'm gonna have to start looking for a new piece, new upper deck. Hopefully they make a metal one. I know that there's some aftermarket ones for like them. What are they? The 116 buggies that pretty much are these style. You know, the Hubbox and knockoff or HPX, whatever it is. So we're gonna get this back out on the track. Yeah, she's or not on the track at the skate park. She's or not on the track at the skate park. So on the way home tonight, we'll hit that skate park, and hopefully it'll be a little less damaging than that one from earlier. So yeah, making it work. Oh, I got a shock tower to do real quick, but that'll only take a minute. But anyway, so yeah, we're rolling. So we never had time to make it back to the skate park this evening. I ended up working late, so I decided to do a conclusion real quick by looking at WL144001 and what really damaged it. I mean, you saw it was getting smacked around. It wasn't landing real good, but you see these screws just keep coming loose. So we have one broken shock tower, but these are not the stocks. These are some aftermarket ones I put on there. So I think I'm gonna put the stock ones back in, and then I have to put, this is a metal diff case, so the screws, again, screwed metal and metal, backed out. Now I know I used, it might have only been nail polish remover. I don't think I had any Loctite, so that could be why. Well, yeah. And then I do have a broken screw in there, so I'll have to do something about that. But I don't know, this is not really a hard fix, but I'm probably gonna strip her down and give her an upgrade anyways. It's time to do a good PM on it. Be a separate video. So I hope you'll like and subscribe. I know skate park isn't as exciting as some of the other ones, and we broke them pretty quick, but sometimes that's how it goes. Yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Thanks. Like and subscribe.